Good morning, everyone, from Zone 5B, checking in on our Galaxy of Stars gourd plant. We have several on this vine, as you can see, different hues of green and yellow, and they're getting bigger. This is the first one that was pollinated. I'd say it's about baseball size right now. We just have to give this plant some water. The leaves will perk right up. Oh, we have a bee. Great, get in there. Jack Bee little plant. We only have one female flower this year. We got about 6 pumpkins last year off of Jack Bee little plant. This year, all I see is 1 female flower so far. We still have a couple months, but honestly, I've noticed with all of our plants this year, lack of female flowers. Don't know what that's about. We will keep you up to date. We will keep you informed of how this is all going, and right now I highly recommend you trying out these Galaxy of Stars seeds. Great producer.